Question number 1. What is the most common gynecological cancer globally? The correct option is B. Cervical cancer. Question number 2. What is the most effective long-acting reversible contraceptive? The correct option is D. Copper T380A. Question number 3. Which is the risk factor for endometrial hyperplasia? The correct option is A. Obesity. Question number 4. How is a submucosal fibroid most likely to prevent clinically? The correct option is B. Menorrhagia. Question number 5. What pH levels is usually found in bacterial vaginosis? The correct option is D. Greater than 4.5. Question number 6. What is the gold standard investigation for endometriosis? The correct option is D. Ultrasound. Question number 7. Where does cervical cancer usually begin? The correct option is A. Transformational zone of cervix. Question number 8. Why is menopause associated with osteoporosis? The correct option is B. Estrogen deficiency. Question number 9. What is the initial investigation for infertility? The correct option is D. Semen analysis. Question number 10. Which hormone causes endometrial proliferation? The correct option is C. Estrogen. Question number 11. Why does postmenopausal bleeding occur commonly? The correct option is D. Atrophy. Question number 12. Why does Kallmann syndrome cause amenorrhea? The correct option is C. GnRH deficiency. Question number 13. What discharge is seen in trichomoniasis infection? The correct option is B. Fruity green. Question number 14. Where is the uterus fixed in advanced endometriosis? The correct option is D. Posterior fornix. Question number 15. Why is estrogen therapy avoided in breast cancer? The correct option is C. Stimulate tumor cells. Question number 16. How does bacterial vaginosis appears on microscopy? The correct option is B. Claw cells. Question number 17. What is the most common vaginal infection in women? The correct option is D. Bacterial vaginosis. Question number 18. Which hormone inhibits follicle stimulating hormone in the follicular phase? The correct option is A. Inhibin B. Question number 19. What is the treatment of choice for molar pregnancy? The correct option is C. Section education. Question number 20. Which tumor secretes androgens in females? The correct option is D. Serotonin or Leydig cells. Question number 21. Which hormone is the highest in the luteal phase? The correct option is C. Progesterone. Question number 22. What is the role of prolactin in infertility? The correct option is D. Inhibit GnRH hormones. Question number 23. What does a positive whip test suggest? The correct option is B. A. Bacterial vaginosis. Question number 24. What finding is common in Sheehan's syndrome? The correct option is D. Failure to lactate. Question number 25. What is the most common cause of postcoital bleeding? The correct option is C. Cervical lesion. Question number 26. What hormone does placenta produce early? The correct option is D. HCG hormones. Question number 27. What age does cervical cancer screening start? The correct option is C. 21 years. Question number 28. What is the ovarian tumor with hair and teeth? The correct option is A. Dermatoid cyst. Question number 29. What is the best diagnostic tool for ectopic pregnancy? The correct option is D. Transvaginal ultrasound. Question number 30. What is the term for painful menstruation? The correct option is B. Dysmenorrhea. Question number 31. What is used to suppress lactation medically? The correct option is D. Bromocriptine. Question number 32. What is the drug of choice for bacterial trichomoniasis? The correct option is C. Metronidazole. Question number 33. What is the classic sign of follower carcinoma? The correct option is B. Chronic vulvar itching. Question number 34. What structure secretes HCG after fertilization? The correct option is C. Trophoblast. Question number 35. What is the hallmark feature of Turner's syndrome? The correct option is D. Streaked ovaries. Question number 36. What is the typical menstrual finding in hypothyroidism? The correct option is A. Menorrhagia. Question number 37. What causes galacturia with the amnuria? The correct option is D. prolactinoma. Question number 38. What is a serious complication of endometrial hyperplasia? The correct option is C. Endometrial cancer. Question number 39. Which tumor is associated with Meji's syndrome? The correct option is D. Ovarian fibroma. Question number 40. What is the most common site of genital tuberculosis? The correct option is A. Fallopian tubes. Question number 41. What is the most common complication of pelvic inflammatory disease? The correct option is B. Tubal infertility. Question number 42. Which investigation is most specific for ovarian torsion? The correct option is C. Doppler ultrasound. Question number 43. What is the tumor marker of epithelial ovarian cancer? The correct option is A. CA125. Question number 44. What drug can reduce bleeding in fibroid uterus? The correct option is B. Transamic acid. Question number 45. What is the primary mode of HPV transmission? The correct option is B. Sexual contact. Question number 46. Which sexually transmitted infection presents with painless genital ulcer? The correct option is D. Syphilis. Question number 47. What is the best diagnostic test for HIV in neonates? The correct option is A. PCR test. Question number 48. What is the treatment for syphilis in pregnancy? The correct option is B. Penicillin G. Question number 49. Which contraceptive also protects against sexually transmitted infections? The correct option is D. Condom. Question number 50. Which sexually transmitted infection present with prolonged cervical discharge? The correct option is C. Gonorrhea. Question number 51. Which infection is commonly seen in HIV positive women? The correct option is D. All of the above infections.